Welcome dear friends in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2 Practical. Myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, MPharm in Quality Assurance. Today we are going to deal with experiment number 15. Title of experiment: to perform and report identification test on the given sample of paracetamol as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Learning outcome for the practical. First, intellectual skill. To understand the concept of experiment, to analyze and interpret the observation. Motor skill. Ability to write systematic analytical report. Ability to handle equipment, take and record observation. Ability to refer standard literature and Indian Pharmacopoeia. Now deals with concept of practical. Proposition first, organoleptic description. It involves information in respect to nature, odor and the taste of the drug. Proposition 2, solubility. We have to check solubility in different solvents. The statement of solubilities are indicated by the descriptive terms and are intended to apply at 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. The following table indicate the meaning of the term used in the statements of approximate solubility. Description: very soluble, that means it is soluble in less than 1 ml of solvent. Freely soluble, from 1 to 10 ml of solvent. Soluble from 10 to 30 ml of solvent. Sparingly soluble, from 30 to 100 ml solvent. Slightly soluble, from 100 to 1000 ml of solvent. Very slightly soluble, that means 1000 to 10,000 ml of solvent. Insoluble or practically insoluble, it is not soluble in more than 10,000 ml solution. Then proposition 3, identification test. These are the tests to verify that the article being examined is in accordance with the label on the container. Failure of an article take from the label container to meet the requirement of prescribed identification test indicated that the article may be mislabeled or substituted. These tests are not necessarily sufficient to establish absolute proof of identity. Proposition 4, pharmaceutical category. Pharmaceutical category of the drug deals with its pharmaceutical and medicinal uses like antipyretic, analgesic. Now general concept regarding structure of identification test. First, description of test. After that, solubility in different solvent. Then identification test as per IP, and then the sample complies or does not comply the test as per IP. Apparatus required for the practical: glassware, Thiele's tube, test tube and capillary. Chemicals: alcohol 95%, acetone, sodium hydroxide solution, ether, ferric chloride solution, hydrochloride solution and potassium dichromate. Now actual perform we are doing in laboratory. Now move towards laboratory. Hello friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2 laboratory. Today we are going to deal with experiment number 15. Title of experiment 15 is to perform and report identification test for organic sample of paracetamol as per IP. Let's move towards stepwise procedure for performing identification test. Let's start with stepwise procedure. First we have to take the description for the given compound. This is the paracetamol powder, which is white colored crystalline powder, and odorless, which has slightly bitter taste. Now move towards solubility test. Take test tube holder and perform the test in different solvent. First is water. Take approximately 1 to 2 mg of sample. Sample plus water. We have to check for solubility in water. Sample plus water and shake test tube. In water it is sparingly soluble. Then perform solubility in alcohol. Again take 1 to 2 milligram of sample. Add alcohol and check its solubility. In alcohol it is freely soluble. Then check solubility in sodium hydroxide solution. Again take 1 to 2 milligram of sample and sodium hydroxide solution. Check it properly and then observe. Okay, it is slightly soluble in sodium hydroxide solution. Again perform solubility test in ether. Take sample, add ether. It is slightly soluble in ether. And last, solubility check in acetone. Take sample, add acetone into it and perform the solubility test. Paracetamol is soluble in acetone also. In this way, we are performing solubility test of paracetamol in different solvent, that is water, acetone, alcohol, ether and sodium hydroxide solution. Now let's start with identification test. First test, dissolve 0.1 gram of sample in 10 ml of water. This is 0.1 gram of sample of paracetamol. We have to pour it into test tube. Then add 10 ml of water. Dissolve it properly. And add 0.1 ml of ferric chloride solution. After addition of ferric chloride, we got violet color. Now let's start with test B. Boil 0.1 gram sample in 1 ml of hydrochloric acid. Take 0.1 gram of sample in test tube. Then add 1 ml of hydrochloric acid. Add 1 ml of hydrochloric acid into it and boil the solution for 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minute heating, stop the heating and add 10 ml of water into this boiled solution. Now cool this solution and add potassium chromate solution, 0.05 ml solution of potassium chromate. Keep aside for 5 minutes so that it is cool. When it is cool, we have to add 0.05 ml of 0.01164 molar potassium dichromate solution. Okay. This is the clear solution. No precipitate is produced in this solution. Okay. After adding potassium dichromate solution, we are getting violet color. At first, when we boil the solution, boil the compound plus hydrochloric acid and added 10 ml water and boil the solution cold. At that time the solution is clear, but after addition of potassium dichromate solution we got purple color, formation of violet color. Now let's start with test 3, that is determination of melting point.
Start.
Okay, let's start with apparatus which are required for conducting determination of melting point. First of all, we require thermometer, Thales tube, capillary tube, matchbox and thread. Let's start with procedure. First of all, take capillary and its one end should be sealed like this on the flame. And this sealed capillary, we have to put sample for which we have to determine the melting point. This is our sample, organic solids compound, and in this capillary we have to put sample. First of all, insert capillary like this so that sample get inside. Tap this on the wall of Petri plate. Like this, only 3 to 5 milligram of sample we have to insert it into capillary tube. After inserting, then tie this capillary with the thermometer with the help of thread and then put it into the Thales tube containing liquid bag.
Okay.
We are tying the capillary tube containing solid organic compound to the thermometer and then immerse this thermometer with liquid sample with solid sample in Thales tube containing liquid paraffin. Only 50% of capillary tube should be immersed into the liquid paraffin. Then start heating on low flame. so that even and constant heating should be provided to the
Start.
solid particles slowly converted into liquid form. Stop the heating at the time of when solid get completely converted into liquid form, and then record the temperature. That is the melting point of paracetamol. Okay, now solid get totally converted into liquid form. Stop heating and record temperature. Temperature is 171 degrees Celsius. That means our substance, that is paracetamol, having melting point 171 degrees Celsius. Now let's start with concluding session. Today we are performing identification test for paracetamol. First of all, we did description, that is nature is crystalline powder, color white, odor it is odorless, and taste is slightly bitter. That means it complies the test for paracetamol as per IP. Then second, solubility. We are performing solubility test for paracetamol in various liquid solvent, that is water, alcohol, acetone, sodium hydroxide solution and ether. It shows solubility and therefore it complies the test for paracetamol as per IP. Then last we did identification test A. It shows violet color. That means it complies the test for paracetamol as per IP. Second, test B. It also shows a violet color develop which does not turn to red color. That means it shows complies the test for IP, test for paracetamol as per IP. And lastly we perform the melting point determination, and it shows melting point at 169 degrees Celsius. That means it complies the test for paracetamol as per IP. Now result, the given sample of paracetamol complies all the tests, that is test A, B and C as per IP. The category for paracetamol is antipyretic agent, antipyretic and analgesic agent. Thank you so much for attending the practical session for identification of paracetamol. Thank you.